bachelor, one wingman, armed only with his charm, wit, and desperation, pitted against three deadly lovebirds, Heather Frost, Joan Miles, and Roxanne Cross. Will he find romance in the air, or will he be nothing but bird feed? Find out on Birdcage. Tonight, we welcome Chet Bentley into the cage.
Hello, birds. I'm Chet Bentley, and this is Brody. Tonight, I'm seeking one lucky lady in exchange for 50% of his reciprocation. Who is Brody? Well, to put it bluntly, Brody is an absolute Chad. Comes with a variety of features, including his sculpted jawline, clear-cut abs, and a very big, and I mean enormous, personality. Besides his sexy physique, he is also ridiculously loaded. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. So, birds, what do you think?
Intriguing. Tell me more about Brody. What makes you think he'll do well in the market?
The market for men.
Great question. With my help, Brody has successfully scored no less than 7 chicks in the past year. At this rate, we're looking to break even within the next few months.
7 in 1 year. You realize some people may see that as a problem, right?
Most people I know would consider that number pretty alright.
Big red flag.
Let's not jump to conclusions, Heather. I'm willing to forget you just said that if you can tell me more about Brody as a person. What were the typical interpersonal operations of his past relationships like?
Well, Brody is definitely someone who owns 2 Ferraris.
2? No, Chet, that's not what I asked. I asked you about him as a person.
Right, well, Brody has a heart of gold. Literally, he got it surgically implanted because he's so rich.
What does that have to do with my question?
Well, if you let me finish.
I think I've heard enough. Heather's right. You have confidence. But I don't think Brody's prepared to be successful in the long term. I think you both have a lot of rethinking to do. For these reasons, I'm out.
Chet, things are not looking good for you. You realize that?
Yes, this I do.
And if I were having a bad day, I'd throw you out of here in a second. But they don't call me Miss Wonderful for nothing, so I'm gonna give you a chance. Not because I like you, but because I think without me you'd never learn.
Thank you, Heather.
So, what can Brody provide? If he were dirt poor, why should I care?
Well, Brody can cook pasta.
Chet, I'm gonna cut you a deal. I'll give you what you want for 100% reciprocation. That's an even trade.
You just cheated death, Chet. You should take the deal.
I think.
Chet, I'm gonna cut you a deal. I'll give you what you want for 100% reciprocation.
You should take the deal.
I think. I'll pass on your deal.
No way.
You are the biggest idiot I have ever spoken to. I see failure. I see travesty. This is not going to end well for you. The only reason I'd ever take Brody on a date is so I can have the pleasure of seeing the tears fall down his face when I dump him. I'm out.
Chet, why?
I believe Brody still has a chance to make it on his own. Plus, Heather scares me.
Screw you. Screw you, moron.
Sorry, buddy. Better luck next time.
You've still got one more chance, Chet.
Joan, you've been quiet.
I've been thinking. Hard.
And?
Brody's impressive. I'll give you that. Definitely gets around. But something's missing. With Brody, I see a man who has it all but is completely empty inside. But beside him, I see something else. Where's this going? Chet, I'll make you your offer. Exactly as it is.
Girl, what?
You are stupid. You're a moron.
Brody, this is it. You scored.
No, not Brody. Chet, I want you.
What is going on?
Joe, I don't know what to say.
Yes or no?
Should you talk first or should I?
Yeah.
I just want to say how thankful I am for this opportunity. I gotta say, I never thought the outcome would be like this. I came in thinking there was no chance for Brody ever, but I guess for me, there was.
That's right, he's mine. And he's all mine. And he's never gonna leave my side forever and ever. I love him to death.
Yeah.
What just happened?
Sometimes I don't understand people.
Next week on Birdcage.
Good evening, birds. My name is...